prior credit, prior learning credit.
Math Foundations for AI, which I'm actually kind of excited for. I'm glad to take that class.
That's BADM 201.
Yeah, possibly. I decided to come back to DSU. I'd originally been doing it online for the last few years, but as I got closer to the end of my 2 degrees, I decided I wanted to pursue one of the graduate programs, either the master's or PhD, and I wanted to fully commit myself at the end of my junior and beginning of my senior year to DSU full-time so I could prepare for that more. My online experience has been very good with DSU, especially when I did it for a couple years. The classes were very flexible, the teachers were very easy to work with, my advisors were very helpful, available all the time. It was very seamless, and I'm very appreciative of how easy it was. I decided to come back to campus because I wanted to finish the last year of my 2 bachelor's degrees in person and try and build relationships with some of the other students that I could potentially go into grad school with. Through the friends that I've met here, I have made some pretty great contacts. It's just all kind of spider-webbed, farther than I could have ever believed. Just the one data analytics competition, the people that I meet there. In my predictive analytics class, we worked on a project for the whole semester that was all about creating a predictive model. I decided to go with a neural network type of model, and I knew immediately what I wanted my project to be based around. It was a real-world problem that we worked on at Dakota land, which was we wanted to predict the failure rates for certain jobs based on certain criteria, based on what types of machines they go to, things like that. I was able to use a very large data set from Dakota land that I, of course, cleaned up, but I was able to use that in the classroom and actually build a neural network model that, with about 78% accuracy, was able to predict when a job was going to turn bad, essentially, when it was going to produce bad parts. So they were very, very happy with that. One of the career goals that I have in the next few years is to definitely finish my bachelor's degree, for sure finish a master's degree, and then possibly go back into the workforce for another decade or 2, applying what I've learned in this class to the workforce. I'm interested in applying advanced technology in the manufacturing industry, which is where I currently work, such as like artificial intelligence and machine learning, definitely robotics. After that, I definitely could see myself becoming an instructor either here at DSU or somewhere else. But I want to take what I've learned after a few decades in the industry and give it to like the next generation. Well, DSU has definitely stood out from prior institutions that I've been at, especially in the workforce. I've gotten along much better here with students. Everyone here is very like-minded with me, at least in the East Hall. We're very driven towards the same objective. We all kind of have very similar goals and we kind of think alike, but we're just different enough where we can learn from each other as well. And the teachers here are extremely helpful. Like Dr. Behrens, for example, I can email him pretty much any time of day and he'll get back to me within a few hours or the next morning. So it's been a good transition. Definitely fit in better here.